Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Eddie Kenzo, and I'm here in Medina. MashaAllah, I'm so happy and blessed to be in this holy place. I feel so blessed, I feel calm, and I'm so thankful. A big thanks to Wedi Travel, Thuraya Islam Media. Thank you guys for giving me this opportunity to come and be in this holy place. The time I've spent here, I feel so relieved, I feel so happy, I feel so blessed. Mpulira bulungi nnyo kwegamba. Thank you so very much. And musanyufu. So ndi wano okuyita abantu bonna abali abavubuka bannange okusingira ddala nti bw'oba ofunye akakisango olinamu ku ssente sobola okujja no visiting ekifo kino. Please jangu okole ibada, jangu kuwumula, jangu ojja kusigala nga toli kyekimu, ogenda kufunamu ebintu bingi nnyo. It's not only for old people, it's for everybody. Please visit Medina and Mecca. You are going to really feel a difference. This is a life-changing journey, I'm telling you. Thank you so much and stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.